important question people are asking to me is about life is not giving them the excitement they need. Why you do not have that excitement is a big question. And very right question also, because in the present situation in the world and in our country, we all are going through lots of strain and stress. This stress is connected more because to the future aspects of life. Everybody is worried. What will happen? क्या होगा? आगे जिंदगी कैसे चलेगी? After this pandemic, will the things roll back to normal? Will we all lead a smooth life? What is the future of our children? These are the lot of questions is imbibed into this one question, that life is no more exciting. If you understand life carefully, life has always been exciting, but we were the people who did not understand how to deal with the life issues. This is first time we are dealing with a life issue which is connected to everyone. This is not connected to a particular community. This is not connected to a particular caste. It is not connected to a particular religion. It is connected to the entire humanity, that we are all going through the same issue of COVID-19 pandemic. Its post effect is that's worrying us. And because of that, we are all becoming less excited about life. I heard many youngsters telephoning me and telling me that we don't know when our jobs will be laid off. We don't know what is our future, what is our children's future, because we have got used to a particular lifestyle. And that lifestyle, will it remain as it is or not, we don't know. Will we be able to send our children to schools and colleges again? Friends, this tone of people do not sound good. If you go back and analyze the past of human race, maybe we go back to 100 years, we will find that what happened in 1820 has happened in 1920. Has happened in 2020. Nothing new about it. The world has gone through 2 world wars, and Indians know Mahabharata also as one of the greatest of world war. People have died in big numbers. But in this pandemic, the total death, if you take in compared to the total people affected, is far less. And especially in India, it is very, very less. It's hardly 1.5% of the total people affected with the COVID-19. I am not here to defend what is, governmental point of view or others' point of view. I am only talking on the point of view of why you should go through a discouragement. It is not a discouraged time, and it is not a time where you should be less excited about life. This is actually a preparation time. In fact, a team of about 1,500 people, we all have started around March, April, or maybe in the May first week we started. Yes, May first week. And since May first week, we have involved ourselves in our self-development program. And this self-development program was very useful. We were conducting the yoga classes in the morning. We were conducting the meditation classes in the morning. We were conducting the pranayamas. We were giving discourses. We were trying to recharge our entire energy. And we were also spending a nice time in the evening by doing lots of spiritual activities. What is we are not understanding is, it is not the material gain alone that keeps your life comfortable. If you don't have a lot of income, at the same time you don't have a lot of expenditure also. You are no more going to the club, you are not going to the pub, you are no more going to the malls, you are no more going to the cinema theaters, you are no more spending money on weekends, you are not going and doing any outdoor activities. If you consider this particular phenomena, you will find that you are really not spending money. So the money part of it, when it comes, you didn't spend as much that to worry you. And regarding the future, why the world will not come back to normal? It has happened after World War I, it has happened after World War II, it has happened after the previous pandemics that has come. This time also it will happen. We are born to think positive, not negative. Who thinks negative? The one who doesn't support himself with sufficient knowledge, or he doesn't have a proper advisor. That is why in Indian concept we have three major things to support us. One side is the parents. The other side is the elders who are more experienced with these things. And we have the culture of a spiritual teacher, a life teacher. In Japan and other countries, for every mental disturbance, they go to a psychiatric. In India, every mother is a psychiatric doctor. The Karma Siddhanta itself, which we follow in India, is a big psychotic solution to the problem. Today we are suffering with a samuhika problem. It's a problem of together. And the solution will obviously come together. Okay, few companies are in a hurry. The same companies will be tomorrow needing you. Don't worry. You are more talented than somebody can measure your talent. You are much more intelligent than some HR department can measure your talent. Do not fall prey to what people gossip around you and tell you, aisa ho jayega, vaisa ho jayega. They are the people who go through the pessimism. Have friends who are optimistic, who talk good. What happens to the man on the street who is very poor? He fought his way. Now most of them have returned to work. The construction industry is slowly returning to normal. Education institutes will get into normalcy. Do not have your mind concentrated on the negative aspect of life. Some people are telling, if I send my children tomorrow when the school opens, they will get COVID-19. Arey, my dear friend, COVID-19 is already ran away from India. The number of cases versus number of cure, it is one more disease that is existing like any other disease or any other flu that exists. Maybe its dimensional effects are different. It may be little fatal for those who are patients of asthmatic nature, or those who are a heart patient, or those who have got some already diseases. If you analyze the number of people are getting affected by COVID-19, it is far lesser compared to various other diseases that is going around, which we are ignoring. You yourself find out the statistics, you will understand that all other diseases combined together are much, much more than this COVID-19. Don't create a dinosaur in your brain. Be positive, think good, act good, get up in the morning, have a meditation of 30 minutes. Have a good yoga exercise. You do some exercise, you do it. Do some jogging, do some walking. Do some good talking. We are also part of the same society. We are doing our job. I am totally busy. Like me, many friends are busy. We are conducting online classes for children also. Just now I today concluded my Katha Sangram, which is storytelling for children who are at home. When challenges comes, it also creates new opportunities. Could have you believed that in a smartphone sitting at home, you can see the entire world, everything, including today, now Government of India's new order says even you need not carry your driving license. Anyhow, you are carrying in the smartphone your entire bank. All your documents are wherever stored, you can pick up from your online system. My dear friend, when some adversity comes, the invention also follows. Adversity and inventions are friends. If negativity is there, that means lots of positivity is waiting for us. If the darkness is not there of the night, you will never enjoy the sunlight of the morning. The sunlight of the morning you cannot have for 24 hours because you will feel that at least there should be some shadow for you to take rest. So the divine creation is very clear that the light follows the darkness and the darkness follows the light. And that's why we enjoy the twilight hours of the evening. We feel very happy when sun is setting and we feel very happy when sun is rising in the morning. In one issue, the darkness is entering. The other issue, the light is entering. Understand the characteristics of the entire universal concept. It is inbuilt with negativity as well as positivity. If there is no pain, you will never know what is happiness. If you have not eaten sweet, you will not taste of the salt. Whenever people eat sweets, they will immediately say, no, if I have to have a coffee, let me have a salted item. Why? All this is our own creation. The tongue is asking its own taste. But do you know the tongue only tastes for hardly 4 inches? Beyond it, whatever goes inside your mouth, it has no taste. But when it is in the tongue, you taste it. The beauty of this life is it's full of happiness. We have to find out. Look at the creation of the God. How positive He was. He is. He didn't create one single flower. He created varieties of flower with different fragrances. That is why so much population in the world, around 900 crores we are. What an African thinks, the Indian will not think. What a Japanese will be thinking, a German guy will not be thinking. What a person in Yugoslavia will be thinking, the same thing a Bangladeshi will not be thinking. These differences are not negative things, they are positive things because they are varieties of life. They bring us together. Where is the question of Nirutsaha? I always tell my younger friends, keep company of people who are very positive. Do not run around the people who are very negative. Because death may come after 80 years, but we are at the beginning of the life itself, we start dying every second. Who knows what is waiting for you in the store? Who knows tomorrow you are a different guy with a different assignment and a different success? Look at that part of life. Always pat at your back. Love yourself, love the people around you. You will find great happiness. So the very concept that life is not exciting, life is very exciting. You are a very talented person. Tell your talent online. Let us share it, what you know about things. What you really like to do is up to you. You are the master of your life. You take decisions. You decide how to move forward. Don't search for negative things in life. I am neither asking you to detach yourself, neither I am asking you to attach yourself. I am asking you to tread your own path. ये जिंदगी है बॉस. अनगिनत राही गए, इस राह से उसका पता किया, पर गए कुछ लोग छोड़ पैरों की निशानी। पुस्तकों में है नहीं छापी गई इसकी कहानी, अर्थ इसका खोल पंथी पंथ की पहचान कर। My dear friend, this situation earlier also happened. Many have gone through this situation, but the story of those things are not written in the books. Yes, the footprints are somewhere there. Unravel the truth, find out a way out. Show your imagination, show your curiosity, which took you to the moon, which took you to the Mars, which made you create a great intercontinental ballistic missile. These are the traits of human. Go deep and find out what is there in the sea. People did it. You are capable, you are talented, have an exciting life. Believe yourself that things will turn around, and it will turn around. That is sure to happen.